You know what's fascinating? We often wonder about big questions in nature.
Like, for instance, why do polar bears and penguins never actually meet in the wild?
I know that feeling when textbooks just throw a bunch of random, disconnected facts at you.
But here's the thing. It's not a list. It's actually one simple story of connection.
Okay, so let's dive in. It all starts with this core idea, the ecosystem.
See, every ecosystem has two main ingredients, the living stuff and, well, the non-living stuff.
So what connects them? One crucial thing, the flow of energy. It's the system's power source.
Okay, let me break this down. It all starts with the sun's immense energy.
But producers, like grass, can only capture a tiny fraction of that.
Then, a grasshopper eats the grass, but most of that energy has already been lost as heat.
And by the time it gets to a top predator like a hawk, almost nothing's left.
This is the crucial point, what we call the 10% law. It's a one-way street.
This energy flow creates that simple path we all learned about in school, a food chain.
You know the drill. Grass is eaten by a grasshopper, which is eaten by a frog, and so on.
But nature is smarter than that. Interconnected chains form a much more resilient food web.
Okay, so how do we visualize this whole system? I mean, how can we even picture it?
We use ecological pyramids. They measure numbers, total weight, or, you guessed it, energy.
Now listen carefully. The pyramid of energy can never be upside down. You just can't create energy.
So why does this balance even matter? Well, watch what happens when just one link breaks.
The story of the Yellowstone wolves is the perfect and honestly incredible example of this. Bringing back just one species was so powerful, it literally caused rivers to change their course.
Okay, let's bring this all together. These are the core connections that define every single ecosystem.
Which leaves us with a pretty big question. If one species can change rivers, what are we doing?